Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we went to Puddle on the weekend of the June 8th, and oh my, I have a new favorite show. Thanks to Jane Easterly, it is a weekend of fun and friendship. And I wanted to introduce a few other YouTube channels that we saw there. Some of these I had known before, and some of these I met for the first time. However, I've been watching them. I do want to also say, as far as talking about Cameos, that Smartdolls have a firm place in Puddle. If you're looking for a show or a weekend of fun with your Smartdolls and you don't know about Puddle, Jane has a website, and it's PUDDLE. And go look. I entered contests and everything with my Smartdolls. And I found the natural girl, Charlene, at the hotel this morning. I just got her.
You're fine.
These are best friends, because I have a Dauntless too.
Here's Daisy
And
with
Jet.
Sharon, and we're out to eat, and she just left Tammy Polly's house to go to Charlene's.
Hi guys, I'm here with Dory from Dory's Dollies. We're here at Puddle, and of course she's sitting here with us. Hi girl.
Hi. I'm here with Anna, a subscriber, and her channel is
Wonder World of Haley, where I do doll unboxings, and I love your channel. You're actually one of the reasons I got into doll unboxing. So my mom and I watch you all the time. Definitely watch your unboxings. Hi, Mom.
What's her name?
Kathy.
Hi, Kathy.
Hi, Kathy.
Thank you for watching. Do you mind if we put it on our YouTube channel?
No, go ahead. Yeah.
I'm lucky enough to get to sit not only with Dory from Dory's Dollies, but also at Sarah's table, and she is Berry Wings 11, and oh, her channel. I watch her, every video that comes up, I watch. You can't believe how she dresses her smart dolls. She has all kinds of cute little dolls. Darren will run a video across. She's a really fun channel.
Thank you so much.
I am so excited. I finally got to meet her face to face. And this is
Barbie 0913.
and I'm sure you all know her from her channel, but I am so thrilled to get to meet her and her daughter, QQ83. I ran into Ashley, and her channel is...
I am QP83 on YouTube, KEWPIE.
You probably know her better than me, but I just wanted to show her off on our channel too. As you can see, Daisy hasn't even brushed her hair since she's been home, but she did get that cute little hat. Come back and see what the tables had setting on them. Genius idea. There were table captains that decorated the tables and gave goodie bags. On top of the Puddle goodie bag, you got one at your table. Daisy had such a fun time. Come back for more of Puddle excitement this week. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.